Short note on RNA. RNA is a ribonucleic acid that helps in the synthesis of proteins in our body. This nucleic acid is responsible for the production of new cells in the human body. RNA resembles the same as that of DNA. The only difference is that it has a single strand and DNA has two strands. RNA consists of only single ribose sugar molecule in it, hence is the name ribonucleic acid. Now, structure of RNA. RNA has the same nitrogen bases called the adenine, guanine, cytosine as that of DNA except for the thymine, which is replaced by uracil. Adenine and uracil are considered as the major building blocks of RNA, and both of them form base pair with the help of two hydrogen bonds. Now, functions of RNA. RNA, which are mainly composed of nucleic acids, this nucleic acid functions as a structural molecule in the cell organelles. Next function, it facilitates the translation of DNA into proteins. Next, also function as an adapter molecule in the protein synthesis. Also serves as a messenger between DNA and ribosomes. They are carrier of genetic information in all living cells.